Sorry, my phone was got disconnected due to the power fluctuation. So I was there in that some kind of eczema, hair issues. Like, so when neither dry scalp is good, at the same time oily scalp is good for your hair. It can be leads to your hair fall also. Then for some people there are dandruff is a मतलब हमेशा dandruff will be there, हमेशा dandruff रहता है, frizzy hair. Suddenly these things have changes happen, right? We feel that सब कुछ normal होता है and suddenly this our hair fall will be more. Sometimes like that dandruff बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, like this type of issues. This could be also related to your stress. Then coming to one more part, that is nails. स्ट्रेस हमारे नेल्स को भी इफेक्ट करता है. नेल्स एंड हेयर, नॉट द हेयर स्कल्प, हेयर विल ऑल्सो इफेक्ट, नेल्स एंड हेयर विल बी ऑल्सो affected by stress. Now see how. So when our body is in a stress, when chronic stress is there, so what will happen? No, our body needs more energy because we feel low and our body need more energy. So at that point of time, what will happen? Our body more energy, so our mind get a signal that our body need energy. At the same time, the body energy production of our body, energy capacity of energy production of our body, that slows down. So our body mind has to divide the stored energy equally to all the required organs. And while coming to our hairs and nails, these are not essential part for living. Means अगर आपके बाल नहीं होंगे तो that will not affect your living. At the same time, if your nails are not going to play any major roles on your normal living process, it is just additional to your look. So our when you are stressed, the energy or the required thing will not going to pass to your hair, at the same times to your nails also, and that will leads to again your nails and hair problem like clipping, chipping, peeling up nails, then clipping up nail, discoloration of nails, lots of things will happen. Similarly for hair breakage, frizzy hair, damage of your hair particularly, not your scalp. This can be related to your stress also. So now questions comes, how to deal with these things. Frankly speaking, there is no specific way or not a particular way through which you can deal with your stress, because as I told in previous that stress is something that will, for each individual person, it will react differently. So you have to choose your own way, but in general you can tell that first thing, think positive, avoid the situation which gives you stress, and because stress is not good for your body, same your skin, and there is same way for to deal with both the situation, for your skin also, for your body also. Then this, because stress is generally related to your mind, जो आप mind के लिए जो करोगे that will affect your body and your skin also. Then coming to your skin, improve your skincare routines. Take a good nap, though you don't want to sleep, because when we are in stress, mostly we don't feel like to go to bed or sleep, but make it a habit, and once and two days you will make a habit that whether you are stressed or not, you will go to sleep. Because when we do something repeatedly, our mind get addicted to on that and will fall to a sleep. Choose a particular time, whether you are busy or something, I have to go for a nap on this particular time, and practice it, it will happen. Choose some good medication, the exercise for yourself which will gives you relax. Do whatever make you happy. Like in this current situation, most of us women, what we do, we don't do anything for ourselves. We don't want to look good, like whole day we are in messy hair, no makeup, no cleanser, no facial. But don't do this. This will increase your stress level more high, because already so many things we are doing. We are doing our household work, we are doing office work, kids are there, husband are there, lots of things going there. And when again at that top of that we are not doing anything for us, this is going to increase our stress level more and more. So do whatever make small things, whatever will makes you happy. So this will help you to deal with your stress. And if you are in chronic stress, means mostly in once in a week or 2 or 3 days in a week, some problems is bothering you, then speak it up. Speak it up to your loved one. Don't just closed it on your heart, because this will lead to some serious problem. Depression will be there, but so many problems will be there. So don't come here, don't do that. Okay, speak it up. So that is the only way. You have to find your way to deal with your stress, but avoid your situation which are giving you stress. So that's all for today's session. If you want to know more, then you can just message me or just visit my website. There the post related to stress management is there. You can go through that and get your answers. So hope I added some value, and if you like my videos, just like, comment and share. Thank you for today. Let's see you next sessions with some interesting things. And sorry that my phone got disconnected, so I had to do twice live session. So just go through it and give some good comments. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.